Good morning, dear class. Earlier we have studied on electromagnet, that was electric current I used to prepare magnet, which are known as electromagnet. Today we will be studying electric bell, which is based on the phenomena of electromagnet. That is, electromagnet is used in the functioning of electric bell. An electric bell is the most common example of application of मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. दैट इज़ इलेक्ट्रिक बेल बहुत कॉमन एग्जाम्पल है हाउ टू अप्लाई मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू सोलेनॉइड्स wound in opposite directions on two soft iron yoke. Now from the diagram you can see that solenoid, that is the wire, is wounded on two iron yokes. The circuit is completed through a battery and a push switch connected to a soft iron arm and a screw against the arm. Now from this diagram you can see that circuit is completed through a battery. A battery is connected to the electric bell and also a push switch is connected to the iron arm and a screw against the arm. When the current passes through the circuit, on pressing the switch, the solenoid attracts the soft iron arm and it strikes against the gong. Now as soon as we switch on the current, switch on the button, the current flows, passes through the circuit, and the solenoid, that is the iron, that is the wire wounded around the iron, attracts the soft iron arm and it strikes against the gong. At the same time, the arm loses contact with the screw. The circuit is broken and the electromagnet stops working. Now this is a simultaneous process which goes on again and again. That is, when the current is passed through the circuit, on pressing the switch, the solenoid attracts the soft iron arm and it strikes against the gong. The moment this happens, the arm goes back to its initial position and touches the screw to again complete the circuit. Therefore, the solenoid attracts the arm again and this goes on till the switch is pressed. Now, the functioning of electric bell can be understood as when the current is passed through the circuit, the solenoid wounded on the soft iron yoke attracts each other and presses or strike against the gong. Then at the same time, the arm loses contact with the screw and the circuit is again broken. When the circuit is broken, electromagnet stops working. At this moment, the arm goes back to its initial position and touches the screw again. The arm strikes the gong each time the circuit is complete, and this goes on in quick succession to produce the sound. Now again and again, when the hammer strikes with the gong, then the sound of the bell is produced, which is explained by the functioning of electromagnet. I hope you have understood the mechanism or the functioning of electric bell.